Today, we'll visit two very different tigers, one in a zoo and one in a reserve. I want you to observe them carefully and think about what their lives are like.
A tiger safari? This is going to be epic.
I hope we learn something meaningful, not just look at them from a distance.
There it is. Look how big it is.
It looks so tired and sad.
What do you notice, class?
It doesn't seem interested in us at all. It's just walking the same path again and again.
Its cage is so small. There's no room to run or hide.
This is the tiger the poet Leslie Norris described. A tiger in the zoo, trapped behind bars. Its strength and spirit are contained.
Look over there.
Whoa. Look at it move. It's so confident, like it owns the place.
It's completely different from the zoo tiger. This one is alive, free, and happy.
The poet's contrast is clear, isn't it? In the wild, the tiger is a ruler. It's fierce and dignified, but in the zoo, it's just a prisoner.
It's like the wild tiger is proud, and the zoo tiger has lost its pride.
Seeing this, I don't think animals belong in cages. They need freedom to be themselves.
So, class, what do you think?
The zoo tiger looked strong but helpless. It didn't belong there.
And the wild tiger, it was so beautiful, so free. It's where it should be.
That's the message of a tiger in the zoo. The poet isn't just talking about tigers. He's asking us to think about freedom, dignity, and respect for all living beings.
This trip was amazing. Seeing the two tigers made the poem so real.
And it taught us something important. Animals aren't here to entertain us. They're meant to live wild and free.
Absolutely. Hey, what are you waiting for?
To experience more such tales with us, hit that subscribe button now.
And show your support by liking and sharing the video.